Digiart Design Services specializes in high-quality post and core designs using advanced CAD/CAM software for dental labs and clinics. Their digital expertise ensures precise adaptation to the root canal, creating strong custom-fit restorations that enhance durability and function. By utilizing cutting-edge scanning and modeling techniques, they optimize the design for retention, load distribution, and anatomical accuracy. Their streamlined workflows improve efficiency, reduce errors, and ensure consistency in every case. With a focus on precision and innovation, Digiart Design Services delivers reliable, customized solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of each patient and dental professional.